The kindergarten classroom bursts with colour, a vibrant haven where giant alphabet posters line the walls. Pico, a tiny canary, nervously perches on the windowsill, his small eyes wide with apprehension. He is dwarfed by the looming alphabet, each letter a monumental challenge to his tiny frame. The vibrant learning environment seems overwhelming as Pico assesses his surroundings with unease. His tiny heart beats fast, a speck of yellow amidst a world of oversized letters and vibrant hues. Sunlight streams through the kindergarten window, illuminating a small, determined face. A robin, perched on the windowsill, sings with urgent intensity. Pico listens intently, his brow furrowed with concentration. He understands the robin's message, a mission of vital importance. I touch every letter before the bell rings. The fate of the kindergarten rests on Pico's tiny shoulders. In a vibrant kindergarten, Pico perches atop the letter A, dwarfed by its size and the promise of adventure. Giant, glossy red apples encircle the letter, their overwhelming sweetness filling the air and tempting the tiny bird. He eyes the nearest apple, its skin gleaming invitingly under the classroom lights. Hesitation flickers across Pico's face as he contemplates the enormous fruit before him. With a mix of curiosity and trepidation, Pico takes a tentative peck at the apple's polished surface. The scent of ripe apples intensifies, enveloping Pico in a world of childish wonder and culinary exploration. In a vibrant kindergarten classroom, Pico propels himself with boundless energy towards the letter B. A large, colourful poster of a bustling beehive dominates the wall, a visual anchor in the cheerful chaos. Pico skillfully dodges the bees on the poster, his youthful mind distinguishing reality from vibrant illustration. He recognizes they are merely harmless drawings, not a stinging threat to be feared. The classroom buzzes with the innocent energy of learning and play, a safe haven for exploration. Inside the vibrant kindergarten, Pico makes a sweet landing. He perches delicately on the letter C, crafted like a swirling candy cane. The sugary scent is a brief, welcome distraction. Pico pecks at the candy cane cautiously, curiosity piqued. A classroom clock looms large, each tick of the minute hand echoing like a drumbeat. The relentless march towards the hour signals an impending release. Anticipation hangs thick in the air as the final seconds dwindle. The bell is about to ring, promising freedom and a burst of joyful chaos. Amidst the vibrant chaos of the kindergarten, Pico's tiny wings become a blur of yellow energy. He lands on D, a drawing of a dog, his small form momentarily still against the colourful paper. A burst of movement as Pico flits to E, a picture of an elephant, his journey quick and curious. Each hop and flutter of Pico's wings is a tiny adventure in a world of giant, colourful shapes. The classroom buzzes with unseen magic as Pico explores his miniature kingdom. In the vibrant kindergarten, Pico skips with boundless energy across felt flowers and blockhouses, his tiny legs a blur. Each step brings him closer to the looming school bell, a silent countdown urging him forward. He navigates through a playful obstacle course of letters and toys, his world brimming with colour and sound. The air buzzes with anticipation as Pico races against time, a small figure in a world of towering wonders. In the vibrant kindergarten, Pico, a small boy with a bright smile, stands ready for an alphabet adventure. Navigating the alphabet jungle, Pico faces I, ice cream, J, jelly beans, and K, a kite. His eyes gleam with determination as he confronts each colourful letter, ready to conquer the ABCs. Each prop is a vibrant challenge, inviting Pico into a world of learning and playful discovery. The classroom buzzes with anticipation as Pico takes on the alphabet one letter at a time. Pico flies past L, a lollipop, and M, a monkey. The alphabet stretches endlessly before him in the vibrant classroom. He navigates past N, a cosy bird's nest, amidst a kaleidoscope of colours and shapes. the distant chatter of children grows louder, a rising tide of sound threatening to overwhelm Pico. The classroom buzz intensifies, a playful chaos that dances around Pico as he continues his journey. Inside the bright kindergarten, Pico's small wings flutter wearily as he navigates the colorful chaos. He reaches for O, an orange, P, a pig, and Q, a quilt, each a beacon in his tiny quest. The weight of his mission is visible in his determined gaze, a stark contrast to the playful setting. Driven by urgency, he pushes on, the classroom transformed into a landscape of youthful determination. In the bright classroom, Pico's small hands reach, his body waddling with determined steps. He struggles towards R, S, and T, the final few steps proving the most challenging. Each movement is a testament to his unwavering resolve. The air buzzes with the quiet energy of learning and the innocent determination of youth. A faint, hopeful smile plays on his lips as he inches closer to his goal. The first chime of the bell echoes softly, signaling the end of one adventure and the start of another. Pico shuffles forward, exhaustion weighing down his small frame as he enters the vibrant kindergarten classroom. His gaze falls upon U, V, and W, an umbrella, a vase, and a watermelon lined up like daunting challenges. A close-up on Pico's determined expression, a silent vow etched on his face. He must not fail. The colorful classroom fades into a blur as Pico focuses, the weight of expectation pressing on him. The objects loom larger, symbols of a test that could define his day, his tiny hand reaching out. In the vibrant kindergarten, Pico faces his challenge, an X-ray taped to a chair representing the unknown. Beside the stark image, Y, a ball of bright yellow yarn, adds a touch of warmth. Z, a large letter cut from construction paper, stands as the final obstacle. Pico, small but determined, gathers himself for the daunting task ahead. He inhales deeply, steeling his resolve, his eyes focused with unwavering intensity. With a surge of adrenaline, Pico leaps forward, throwing himself into the unknown with all his might. The bell's chime pierces the air as Pico reaches out, his small hand inches from Z. A triumphant chirp escapes Pico's beak as his fingers brush against Z. Relief floods Pico's face, his eyes sparkling with uncontainable joy. Pure, unadulterated happiness radiates from Pico as his small victory unfolds. Pico, perched atop the letter Z, surveys the classroom, a tiny figure amidst the colorful alphabet. A proud glint in his eye reflects his monumental achievement. Outside the window, a robin chirps, a natural applause for Pico's triumph. He did it. Pico has conquered the alphabet, a tiny hero in a vibrant world.